Unreal Engine 5 versus Unity, which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create immersive games without wasting time or resources. Both Unreal Engine 5 and Unity offer powerful tools but differ in key areas. Unreal Engine 5 and Unity are two of the most popular game engines used by developers worldwide. The core difference lies in their focus. Unreal Engine 5 excels in high-fidelity visuals and complex environments, while Unity prioritizes flexibility and ease of use across platforms. Unreal Engine 5 is a cutting-edge game engine developed by Epic Games, designed to deliver stunning photorealistic graphics and dynamic environments. It works by leveraging advanced technologies like Nanite virtualized geometry and Lumen global illumination, enabling developers to create highly detailed worlds with realistic lighting and shadows. Unreal Engine 5's strengths include its powerful visual fidelity, robust toolset for AAA quality games, and a strong ecosystem of assets and plugins. It also supports real-time rendering, making it ideal for cinematic experiences and large-scale projects. However, Unreal Engine 5 has a steeper learning curve and requires more powerful hardware to fully utilize its capabilities. This engine is best suited for experienced developers or studios aiming to produce visually impressive games or interactive experiences that push hardware limits. Unity is a versatile game engine known for its user-friendly interface and broad platform support. It operates on a component-based system, allowing developers to build games efficiently with reusable scripts and assets. Unity's strengths lie in its flexibility, making it suitable for 2D, 3D, R and VR projects across consoles, mobile devices, and desktops. It offers a vast asset store and strong community support, which helps speed up development. Unity is also praised for its lightweight performance and scalability, enabling games to run smoothly on less powerful hardware. However, Unity's graphics capabilities, while improving, generally do not match the high-end realism of Unreal Engine 5. Unity is ideal for indie developers, mobile game creators, and teams looking for rapid development cycles with cross-platform reach. Comparing Unreal Engine 5 and Unity comes down to project goals and resources. Unreal Engine 5 is the go-to for developers prioritizing top-tier graphics and immersive worlds, perfect for AAA games or detailed simulations. Its advanced rendering features deliver breathtaking visuals, but demand higher system specs and longer development time. Unity, on the other hand, shines in versatility and accessibility. It supports a wide range of platforms and game types, making it excellent for mobile games, VR experiences, and rapid prototyping. While it may not match Unreal's graphical power, Unity's lightweight engine and extensive asset ecosystem enable faster production and easier learning. Choosing between them means balancing visual ambition against development speed and hardware requirements. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for developers focused on high-end graphics and complex, immersive experiences who have the resources to manage its advanced features. Unity is the better choice for creators seeking flexibility, broad platform support, and faster development cycles, especially for mobile and indie games. Both engines excel in their domains, so select based on your project's specific needs and goals.